All right, extra remote control TIG.
That's what I'm paying for.
Yeah, that's what your tax dollars are paying for.
Yeah.
Oh.
End it on a fisheye. Finish that one up.
What do you mean?
You end it on a fisheye.
What does that mean?
You gotta taper that off.
Taper it?
Uh-huh. Weld it all the way to the end and then taper it back. Which means slowly let off.
Like that?
That's about as good as you're gonna get.
All right.
Well, that's not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Thank you.
Give it a electric.
With the pressure on, you know, I had to perform.
There you go. Now do it in vertical.
Are you serious?
Yeah.